let me sleep for one more day. The light just spoils my dreams. This is why I